Hey everybody, today in this video we'll be making chicken lollipop drumsticks in the air fryer. Let's get started. We have here 5 drumsticks and we're just gonna cut them like this. There you go. And the great thing about making these lollipop drumsticks, you have more surface area for the seasoning. There you go, that's one. Okay, we cut it open. Cut the tendon. Down, and then cut that little extra piece of meat off. There we go. The next thing what you can do is remove the extra skin on the foot. You don't have to if you don't want to. There you go, remove the skin. Everything looks good, nice and clean. We have here some flour, 2 eggs. We're gonna crack that open real quick. Just 1 and 2. Okay, and then stir it all together. Okay, we're good. We're gonna put that on the side. We have here some garlic herb Progresso breadcrumbs, and we put some in the bowl right here, and we're set. First thing what we're gonna do is add some salt to the chicken. Turn it over, do the same thing. Okay. Then some black pepper. Turn them over, do the same thing. There we go. Yeah, the first thing what we're going to do is dip into the flour. Make sure to get all the sides. Dip into the egg wash. And then dip into the Italian breadcrumbs. There you go, that's 1. Okay, that's it. Okay, the next thing what we're gonna do is spray some olive oil onto the lollipop chicken drumsticks. There we go, we're set. Okay, we're gonna preheat the air fryer 370 degrees and we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer's been preheated. Let's put the chicken drumsticks in. Here's a closer look before we put it in. Okay, we're gonna spray some olive oil just so that it doesn't stick too much. Now we're gonna put in the drumsticks. There you go. Okay, let's put them in. We're going for 370 degrees for 22 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 11 minutes so far. Let's move them around a little bit. Looking good. Let's turn them a little bit. Okay, we move them a little bit. Now we're just going to spray a little bit more olive oil. Okay. And we'll be back in 11 minutes. Okay, the chicken drumsticks are ready. Oh boy, it smells really good. Let's check the temperature real quick. From the thickest part. We want it to hit around 165 degrees. And we're well over 170. That's it. Let's take them off. Still really hot, so I'm just going to use tongs. And last one. Okay, this is what we have today, lollipop chicken drumsticks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.